I'm Dr. Wilson. I'm the veterinarian at the City of Bakersfield Animal Care Center, and we're going to go ahead and give you a tour of our medical facilities. So if you come inside here, we have several banks of cages that we can keep our hospitalized pets before they undergo procedures here. The number one thing that we do in our medical facility is spaying and neutering of adopted pets, although we do provide miscellaneous services as well. We have several patients in here right now that are receiving a various array of procedures. This dog came in severely matted, so he was groomed and sedated while he was groomed. This young puppy came in with a rectal prolapse. This dog had a large wound that we repaired. And then this dog recovering here had an abscess. But like I stated, the majority of the procedures that we do here in the medical facility are spay and neuters. And so in this room here is our induction room. And in this room, the animals are first brought in, and this is where they are prepared for surgery. And so they're given their induction medication on this table, and then we intubate them with a tube and we place them on gas anesthesia. While they're under gas anesthesia, their abdomen is clipped and prepared aseptically for surgery. Once they have been clipped and prepared for surgery, then they move into the sterile surgical room, and I can go ahead and show you that now. So this is our surgery room. As you can see, we are blessed to have 2 tables here, so that helps us perform more surgeries in a day. So an animal is brought in here from the induction room, and they're placed on the heated table, and then they will undergo their sterile surgery. When surgery is going on, everyone in this room is gowned and gloved, and we keep the door shut to kind of keep this area as sterile as possible. Once the animal is finished with anesthesia and their procedure, they're moved out for recovery by many of our volunteers. One of the great things that we're able to have here is some partnerships with some of the local vet tech programs, and we are always accepting volunteers in the medical facility to help us facilitate more and more spay and neuters and care for the animals here. Some of the other benefits of our facility I can show you here is our lab. So right here we have a very state-of-the-art centrifuge that we use for fecal examination, and so we can treat animals if they have any type of intestinal parasites, which is common in the animals that we get here in the facility. And we'll use the microscope to look at various different samples. We have a large array of medications that we're able to treat the different diseases that come into our facility. And then over here is our this is our surgical pack preparation station. And so here, some of our assistants are able to make our surgical packs for surgery. And so they will use the different instruments that are labeled here, drapes and huck towels as needed. And then they prepare them in a drape based on the instructions here. And then they go through the autoclave and they are sterilized. And we use an individual pack for every animal. Pretty much our medical facility here, and we welcome volunteers and people to come and tour our facility at any time. You just have to set it up ahead of time, and thanks so much for joining us in our tour of the medical facility.